Been a long time coming, a lot of dope running. Come on, hustling, trying to dodge, they can't see. This your boy, Trap Wave. YouTube, what's poppin'? It's the one and only Trap Waves. In today's video, I'm gonna teach y'all how to create your crown when you start shifting and build a foundation, alright? So, hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that like button and notification bell, alright? Hey, let's get into it.
Give me your color you got, pay attention to the visit he got. Doing this shit for the sport, moving them forks, ain't nobody topping trap. Wait, trap.
Alright, so first thing first, I'm gonna add Regal 7 to my crown. The reason I do this is to put oils in my hair since I'm stripping on my natural oils once I start washing my hair. I add liquid shampoo to my crown because it's better for me to be able to move when I start brushing. Now as you can see, I'm brushing. Now I know you see something white in my crown. That's a method that I have learned. I got it from one of my squad members, Ditto George. Basically I took a barber pencil and I basically marked my crown area so I would not lose it doing the washing style. It's impossible to be able to lose it doing that method. Now I have added the wave slam to my hair. This is gonna make my hair even more silky. It just give me crazy lather. But now I'm just basically trying to develop my crown, alright? So like I said, I'm shifting my pattern from 540s to 360s. I have did something where I have basically shifted my top for the most part. It's not slanted like it used to be. If you've been following me on my YouTube channel, my Instagram, you know my top used to be crazy slanted. But now, you know, I developed a slight slant, not too crazy of a slant. So, hey, let's just get to it. So now I'm just basically, you know, lathering my hair, you know, making sure my hair is lathered. Now I'm acting crazy. But yeah, as you can see, man, I made a crazy progress, you know. And I'm just, you know, trying to, you know, build a foundation in my crown area. Yeah, so basically it's a marathon, not a sprint, you know. As you can see, I got a slight slant in the back. It's not crazy like it used to be. So I definitely been seeing progress. So now I'm just putting on a do-rag. About to, you know, wash out the soap out of my hair. And you guys got to remember, when you're doing a washing style, remember to use somewhat of a thin do-rag, you know, to get the soap out your hair. Don't use no thick do-rag. So I know a lot of people ask me, you know, how often do I wash my hair? I wash my hair at least twice a week. Okay, as you can see, I got, you know, I did the clay and lay, you know, boom, clay and lay out the way, you know. I don't know how it happened, but it happened, you feel me? But now I'm just basically spraying oils in my hair. Damn. Progress crazy, man. Like, so I'm just gonna continue doing this, and hopefully, you know, I break my swirl and my back kind of, you know, straighten out, and my top straighten out even more, and my right side, you know, definitely, you know, see better progress. You know, my left side is definitely coming in. Like I said earlier in the video, my top still slanted slightly. I need to, you know, have it straightened out, you know, and make it look whole. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that concludes the video. Hey, make sure you hit that subscribe button to my YouTube channel. Make sure you hit that like button and that notification bell, all right? Listen, if you want to see me drop a video doing product reviews, new methods, or anything, all right, make sure you comment below. It's your boy Trap Waves, man. Hey,
Can we say that again? Man, it's your boy Trap Waves, and I'm out. Salute.